If you're planning to purchase a Hostinger VPS, I want to make sure you're getting the biggest discount available. This tutorial will show you exactly how to lower the price before you complete your order. I'll walk you through where to access the special offer, explain why some people accidentally pay more than they need to, compare the VPS plans, and show you how to verify the discount before checkout. Let's jump right in. To start, click the Hostinger VPS discount link in the description below. That link will take you directly to the Hostinger VPS hosting page. Next to the link in the description, you'll see my exclusive coupon code. Simply apply it at checkout to receive an additional discount on top of the promotional pricing, helping you get the lowest possible price. One quick disclosure before we continue, the link in the description is an affiliate link, meaning I may receive a commission if you decide to purchase through it. This comes at no extra cost to you and helps support future tutorials. Once you're on the VPS page, you'll notice several different plans available. Rather than simply choosing the cheapest one, it's worth taking a minute to think about what you'll actually be running on your server. If you're hosting a small website, experimenting with Docker containers, learning Linux, running lightweight applications, or setting up development environments, the entry-level VPS is often more than enough. If you're planning to self-host multiple applications, run automation tools, deploy AI projects, host databases, manage larger websites, or expect heavier traffic, moving up to the next VPS tier usually provides better long-term value. The higher plans include additional CPU resources, memory, and storage, giving you much more room to grow without needing to migrate your server later. Another decision you'll make is the billing period. Longer subscription terms usually provide the lowest monthly cost, while shorter terms offer more flexibility but a higher monthly price. If your goal is to maximize savings, the longer promotional terms are typically the best option. Keep in mind that promotional pricing applies only to the initial billing period, and renewal pricing will be different afterward. Once you've selected your VPS plan and billing term, continue to checkout. Before paying, take a moment to verify that the promotional pricing has been applied correctly. This is important because it's much easier to confirm your discount now than after placing the order. If everything looks correct, continue creating your Hostinger account if you're a new customer, or simply log into your existing account. After completing your purchase, your VPS can usually be provisioned within just a few minutes. Inside your Hostinger dashboard, you'll be able to deploy your server, choose an operating system, configure SSH access, reinstall your VPS if needed, monitor resource usage, create snapshots, and manage your server from one place. One thing I personally like is that Hostinger keeps the VPS management dashboard straightforward, making it much less intimidating if this is your first virtual private server. If you're completely new to VPS hosting, don't worry. Hostinger also provides one-click templates for many popular applications and operating systems, making the initial setup much easier than manually configuring everything from scratch. That's all there is to getting the Hostinger VPS discount. To get the VPS hosting offer, clicking the link below is the easiest way to make sure you receive the discount before signing up. I provide the exclusive coupon code next to the link. If this tutorial helped you save money or made choosing a VPS easier, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more hosting tutorials, website guides, VPS walkthroughs, and coupon code videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.